Okay, so here I have my board, just finished programming it. You can see over here, we got, there's the board connected, programmed. There's my, what's that? That's my add9 module. And if we start looking at this, we've got this half of the switches being one number, the other half being the other number. You can see 1. If we add, let me see, another 1 to that, we'd get 2. 2 and 1 gives you 3. I can even bump it up to, what would that be? Like 16. That makes it 17. That would make it 32, as you can see. So there's some addition of some positive numbers. Here's just a random number right here. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but we've got, is that the same combination? No. We've got those numbers right there, and that's the output. Let me turn all this off. I'm going to show you guys a positive and a negative number. So if we took, this would be negative, tone it down a little bit, and then plus a positive number over here. You can see that that is, there's your result right here. I'm not sure what the result would be, but that is the result. I'll give myself an easier one so I can show you guys what the result would be. So turning this on would be negative 128. Adding just one more right here would make it 127. So negative 127 plus, 3. Now you see that we're getting negative 256 minus 128 is negative 128. Minus 8 is negative 120. So 127, negative 127 plus 7 is negative 120. Turn all these off. If I do two negative numbers, turn on that, and sorry, it's hard to keep track of what the camera's looking at and my board at the same time. But as you can see, I'll switch that right there. That is negative 127, and negative 127 again. You can see we're getting negative 253, I believe, if I'm reading those LEDs correctly. Turn on a couple more. You can see that number going down as we increase as we decrease this negative number. We see our overall negative number going down. Again, I'm not entirely sure what that number would be. And then to show off the carry propagating all the way to the left, we can turn on all of these but the last one to keep it positive. So right there, that's positive. And then if we just throw on one more, which would be right here, you can see that flicks all of these off and turns that one on. So it goes from 127 to turning all those off and being 128. Another example of that would be, I guess, turning on a couple more of those. You can see it turning off all of these where all of those were on. We hit a couple switches and the carry propagates over, turns this LED on, and we're left with this kind of remainder plus the 128 right there. Yeah, I think that shows it off pretty well. Take it